Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Entrepreneur. Today we're going to explore how to run Telegram without VPN, and if you're interested in informational videos, you're in the right spot. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let's dive in. First, you need to install any VPN from your Google Play Store. Now open your VPN and connect it to any country. If your VPN is connected. Now open your Telegram app. Now you see your Telegram app is working with the help of VPN. Now go to the search option and search it My Proxy. Now you see the first channel open. You'll see the lots of links are there. Click any of the link and click connect proxy option. You need to connect minimum of 10 to 15 proxy. If you are connected lots of proxy, go back and disconnect your VPN. Now open the Telegram app and you see your Telegram is working without VPN. Now you can use your Telegram anytime. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this video and want to see more about related content, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Got any questions or ideas? Leave them in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.